So, we're on our way somewhere. I'm not sure where. Jordan told me to record, so I'm going to record.
We'll just get when we come back.
The diaper bag?
We gotta bring that stuff back. I think the diaper bag's in the Kia.
Yeah. So I don't know where we're going. He won't tell me. He says it's a surprise. Hi, Johnny. Sweetie pie. Hi, baby. Yeah. Judge trying to figure out where we're going to. First, we gotta go pick up some pies, some food. Then we're gonna hit the road. It don't feel bad out. It's kind of. I was wondering like if it was gonna start getting cold. Last week was not cool. It was in the 70s and rainy. But it's been in the 80s past couple of days. It's supposed to be warmer today than it was yesterday.
This.
I've been seeing a lot of dragonflies lately. You walking with us?
So they could be in there. Right there. So when you come in.
We got all the trees down. Thank you. Thank you.
About to walk. Come on. Let's do it. No, you don't know, no.
He said, but all I know is the crawl.
I can break you off, they don't give us to it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, they don't give us to it all. Nothing at all.
You know, I've been coming across a lot of videos about like frequencies, and I feel like I'm starting to like understand manifestation a lot better. And when I look back on like my experience, I feel like I've always been knowing it, but like it hasn't become like apparent to me that I know this stuff until like having certain experiences and the way that I deal with it, and then like seeing how what other people are going through, and then it's like, you know what? Once you kind of like elevate out of the situation, like you understand, like you shifted your frequency. Like you have to take action, but it allows you to, as long as you are in good standing with the universe, I feel like it allows you to shift your frequency in a way that you just don't have to be bothered with anything negative. You know what I mean? Like you have that choice, and you can focus on not necessarily that you're focusing more on like positive things and like completely ignoring anything negative, because that's what they call toxic positivity, but like just not like knowingly walking into a toxic situation, or just kind of like staying away from negative people, and then also going with the flow is something that I'm really like focusing on right now. And I'm coming across a lot of content where other creators are talking about going with being in flow, being in a state of flow. And I think that's kind of like the energy that everybody's in right now. Like, not forcing things that's kind of like out of your control. Like if there's something that you can change or you can do, and you don't have to put a lot of force into it, like that's different. But like, if you're trying to make something happen or get into something and it's just kind of like not working out, like not trying to force it allows you to not be in that energy of like resistance. Like it keeps you out of resistance, and then you just feel like your life is flowing. Like whatever pops up, like you just kind of go with it. And if something's not working out, you just kind of go the other way. And it's kind of allowing the universe to drive, like how they say, letting Jesus take the wheel. It's kind of like allowing the universe to drive. Like, okay, the door's closed over here, let me come over here and try to do it this way, and to go down this road, and you know what I mean, like. And then as long as you know to stay away from like when you see the red flags and the signs around you, like that might be a toxic situation if you step into that, or I might not want to get into business with this person, or I might not want to talk to that person, or like hop into a relationship with that person, whether it be a friendship, a business relationship, or whatever kind of relationship. You know, like as long as you know the red flags and you know what to stay away from and what not to get involved in, I think that the universe will help you manifest whatever you desire in the safest way possible for you. When you just kind of moving and flow like that.
Makes a lot of sense. Well, the problem with some people though is they feel like they got manifestation down pat. And manifestation is a lifelong journey.
It is, and that's why I'm saying, like, when you go, the more I go through and the more I see other people go through, like a little bit comes to me. Like it's like God is letting me have it. The answers a little bit at a time, like in increments. Like it's not all coming to me at one time. Like it is a journey, and it is steps and levels. Like it's really levels to the shift.
And there's also there could also be 20 different ways to manifest the same thing. And I think that it's really just our job to believe in the manifestation, but it's not our job to try to figure out exactly how we're going to manifest it.
Right.
Just know that you're going to manifest it. Double down on those feelings, believe in that. The universe is going to choose which way is best for you to manifest this stage. Look at me.
I felt like it was back there when we walked past. I don't know. There's a bathroom over there. A feeding, a feast. Sweet potato pie and grapes. We didn't even bust open them grapes or the popcorn. We just brought a bunch of snacks. Coconut water. Dinkelbutt got sweet potato all over them. And the can sit still. That's how he's going to be at the car on the way back. Bouncing off the walls. We're getting ready to go put this stroller back so we can go on this trail. Because we heard it's rocky. Oh, I didn't even say where we are. What is this? Glen Ricketts? Ricketts Glen? Ricketts Glen State Park. That was the surprise. This is the surprise. They got a nice little like charcoal fire pit kind of thing going on over there. And they got grills. So you knew they had all this stuff, but you was never here before. Because you just was seeing it on the internet. And Jordan would always be like, let's go to Ricketts Glen. and I was rebelling. I wouldn't have been able to do that ride pregnant with Jai Jai though.
I think
That was a long ride.
it wasn't that bad. I'm used to it now.
Yeah.
Well, let's get our stuff.
You ready? Ready to get on the road? On the good foot. Oh, think about it. So she said, "You are here, Lake Rose Trailhead Park." Yeah.
That's where we are?
I'm thinking that's the entrance. It's a beach.
That's over there on the other side.
So I'm thinking that's the other trail that she was like, that's probably easier. The Bear Walk Trail.
Yeah, I just don't want to get stuck out here after dark. So we get too far, it starts to get dark. You got to book it on the good foot. Nobody trying to be out here in the dark. Lost.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more.